My name is Bruna. I did a master's integrated in genetics with a year in Europe, and I graduated in 2021. So I'm currently the community engagement manager for York Science Park, which is a company owned by the University of York. My main job is to sell and market workspace, and I also am responsible for running our phase 1 business incubator program. Throughout my degree, I did quite a few things. I worked as a student ambassador, and one of my jobs was to work at reception at the York Science Park, and that's how I found out about the Science Park and I got to know the team. And just before I was about to graduate, I found out that there was an opportunity to work with them, and I thought, it'll be good, because even though I did a lot during my degree, there was still areas that I wanted to improve. So I applied for the job, even though I didn't have the background, and I got the job. A lot of what I've done in the 5 years that I was at uni were quite applicable for this job. I think the main one is communication skills. So even though I really didn't like doing presentations when I was at uni, those were essential for what I do now. So writing, essays and reports. I do a lot of writing on my job. Organizational skills and time management, also a big thing. And I found, I learned that when I was at uni, I had a course to do, and I always like to keep myself busy, so there was a lot of activities there, and I had to make sure at the end of my degree I still came out with a good grade. On my first year, I accessed what was the numeracy, literacy, drop-in sessions that they used to run at the library. That was good because, as an international student, I just wanted to make sure that my level was the same as everyone else, so they gave me that boost of confidence. I actually did go to the careers department as well, and I did CV drop-in sessions where they could check over your CVs and application forms as well. I wouldn't know about this company if it wasn't for the University of York. It gave me the skills to be able to do my job and excel at my job. I think that's the most important thing, I'm not just able to do my job, I'm very good at what I do. And I think meeting the right people, being in the right place, and I think those are things that I may not have been able to find at other universities. It was just very key in my career development.